Hey guys, we are back at West Heath Road. So Leo's just upstairs. Now what the plan to do is essentially just remove all this, reboard it and put all the meters and electrics on that wall and then board everything up, make everything safe, and that will still be then an open porch sort of thing when you come straight in. Downstairs is more or less okay. I mean, obviously stuff like that has to be sorted. All the skirtings has to be redone as well. I'm going to try and hide all the pipes, and then the kitchen. So this is sort of the main work. The wall has been removed, so there's going to be an island across here. Everything's been removed. We have to reskim the ceiling along there as well. Washing machine over there, power sockets from being moved from there to nearer over there for the boiler. That socket has been moved down here. The hub, the oven and hub is going here. Extractor fan above, island across there, fridge, freezer over there, shelves in there. But this would look like a really nice family space. Shame this is a bit thicker though. But anyway, so yeah. This is a really good space. So again, so essentially this week a lot of the stripping has been done, stripping the wallpaper, and as a result we've uncovered basically not very good walls. So there's been a lot of skimming. So this has been quoted as an extra. It's normally the case after you after stripping everything out. So that's been done. This doorway has been widened. Everything has been removed. So this is the bathroom. Everything's removed. Then redone. That's the stripping wallpaper and re-skimmed. In here, that wallpaper is removed, and that was fine. So that's good. Final bedroom. That's going to be re-skimmed. Monday. Everything else has been redone. The roof is being done I think on Monday, so going to go up there, look for the holes, fix the tiles, get rid of all the rubbish that's up there. The skip outside is full, chuck all the rubbish in there, and then insulate the roof as well, and that should be it. See ya.